Nasir. So this is one of my project which I did in Laravel uh, PHP with backend as database of PostgreSQL. This is the main landing page. If user basically write the wrong credential, then this type of error message also showing. And this is a beautiful login page. And inside this one, if you forget, for example, your then inside your email you can also write whatever you have this mechanism it code is sent to the basically user, and for forget basically all this is mentioned. Okay, so let's write correct username in order to enter to the project, and then the password. Okay, and inside the password, okay, if you sign in, if the credential is basically right, then it will goes inside this one, and you can see that the user is basically all the project is like a role permission, so only limited things are visible to this specific user. Okay, so let's basically log into the admin account, then you will see that the complete role permission system is also mentioned in this project. Okay, so if I sign out and now log into the admin user. Now let's log into the admin account. This is the admin account, and if I click on sign in, here you can see that inside the admin account all these functionality of this project is mentioned. We have a complete user management system. In order to, you can add a new user, you can also, for example, you can add an account or register a user which can use this type of system, and you can also assign different things on it. So we have a location module, we have a generator module, we have a vehicle module. So all modules basically is with pagination. If you want to show all the data, just click on this, then without the pagination all the data will be shown, and if you click on with pagination only 11 items will be showing. Okay, so you can set the pagination. We have in each second the print button, the overall search module, and to export the excel module also. Okay, so we have a service list. Inside the service list all the required basically according to this project criteria all the things are mentioned, and inside this one all these models are to add all the CRUD operation with excel export also. So this is all the sections of that is been handled from this admin. Inside the configuration we have complete a role permission system. Here to account you can also create a new role. Okay, for example, if I go to the employees role, if I assign this employee role to employee, that this is a beautiful basically a role permission system is also mentioned in this project. Okay, so this is the project which I did in PHP Laravel with PostgreSQL as a backend. You can also change the password for each users, and inside the profile we have also some setting for the profile pictures or something like. So this project is basically a dynamic project. The backend database which I use, that is Postgre, okay, MySQL. Inside this project database here you can see that inside the schema, inside the tables, all these tables are built based on this project requirement. We have a user table. Inside this all the required users are basically list down or register here. Work as I have experience in PHP, Laravel, CodeIgniter, data science related Python, Django. So whatever work you can assign me, I will do it. Order link is mentioned in video description. Just call on that specific link, fill your criteria. You can also attach any file and mention correct your email, so I will reply on your email. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.